Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by doing 3 immediate things. Force close the crashing app, then restart the device to clear transient memory and hung processes. Once restarted, open the App Store and confirm the app version and OS updates. This prevents compatibility faults. While you're there, free at least 0.5 to 1 GB of storage and disable battery saver or restrictive profiles, because low storage and aggressive restrictions commonly cause random crashes and slow resource allocation. Once the basics are done, clear the app cache and, if needed, its data after you back up settings or account data, because corrupted caches often break runtime state. If crashes persist, uninstall then reinstall the latest build to replace faulty binaries. Make sure the app has required permissions. Missing permissions can trigger exceptions. Finally, inspect device logs or boot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app or background service is colliding with the app's processes. To finish, reproduce the crash in a clean user profile or on another device to confirm whether it's device-specific or systemic. If the problem is local, apply pending OS patches. Use a factory reset only as a last resort and restore data carefully. If crashes continue, capture detailed logs, note exact steps to reproduce, and contact the developer, because developers need logs and reproduction steps to fix code-level faults. One tip: always include timestamps and device model when reporting bugs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.